So we have a stripped lug stud in a Dodge Dart. Just going to drill that out. It's pretty simple. Just drill up to 13-30 seconds. First horizontal punch. 3/16 drilled it. Stepping up to 1/4 inch. Up to 5/16. Final drill size for a 12 mil stud. 13-30 seconds. That it's drilled to 13-30 seconds. Just need to find something that fits in there. Break it off, a punch or something. I use a bolt. Just give it a whack. It is. And then the other part that's in there, once you get the wheel off, will just spin right out usually. And sometimes when you get the wheel off, the piece comes out of here. Sometimes it spins out with your fingers, but this one's pretty rusty, so I drilled it for a 5/16 extractor. Sometimes they're a little snug, but they usually spin out. Rusty. Oh, the guy hasn't had his wheel off in years. There's the rest of it. Blow out these holes before you put the new ones in. And this is a good lug that come out. So when you drill them out, you just go to the bottom of the cone. That's far enough. It'll break off. Feel free to check out my other videos and subscribe. And until the next job.